Hello guys, welcome back to my channel as part of my playwright journey of creating a framework from scratch using JavaScript. So today we will learn about how to create a helper function via the util class because this is the one folder that is still pending. We have not used it. Okay. So let's go to the VS Code. We can go to the login spec.js. Okay, last time I think we have not executed these test cases. So let's execute it after implementing the fixture concept. Okay. Okay, it's passing. Okay, great. So what we'll do now, okay, I think we forgot to add some verification over here. We did not add any assertion, right? Okay, so what we can do, let's go to the application. Where is our application? Okay, here, whenever we are adding the username and password, so you must have observed there is no text is present over here. Only dot the domain name is there, client auth and login. So when we'll do the login, you can see the dashboard text is present over here. So we can take this as our verification. Okay. So what we'll do, we'll just copy this one slash dashboard slash. I'll do the sign out. I'll go to my login page where I'll create a method, a simple method. Okay, this is my JavaScript doc. I will create a async function and what I'll give a name verify uh, success login using URL or something. So it should be properly understood by other developer as well. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll put in verification await this dot page. Okay, I'm putting assertion, right? Expect this dot page dot to have URL. Perfect. Okay. So as I've used expect, we have to import it in the here. Uh, constant, constant. Expect require and the right the test. Great. Okay, we've imported that. Okay, great. And one more thing I've forgot to give you the information. So you can write this line. Otherwise, you can write before the class that is export default. Anything it will work. Either it'll write this line export default, otherwise you can write this one. So from the next class, whenever next class we can create like for any other pages, we'll use that. So as of now, I'll keep as it is. I'll not do any changes over here. Okay, I'll save it. Okay, we have added this, and I'll write the JavaScript doc that this method will be used to verify the uh, success login. Something like you can write, no problem. Okay, so I'll use this method over here that await login page dot perfect. So this is my assertion. Great. We'll just execute this test case now. It's running one test case as using one worker. It should execute successfully along with the URL. Okay, great. It passed. Now we'll jump to the adding the util concept. Okay, so how you can do that? Let's understand first. We'll go to the util class. We'll create a new we'll util folder and we'll create a new class. Suppose uh, wait helper. Okay, dot this. So what exactly we'll do? Let's understand first. there is a problem statement over here. So right now, if you can see, whenever we do any login to any application, so this is very lightweight program that we are using as our Q application. But in real time, you'll get a lot of heavier application where you'll find a problem that after entering the username and password, it will take a lot of time to load the dashboard page. So every time will not this your real-time project will not that much of speed, right? Because they have embedded with a lot of stuff like database, UI, API, and heavy application. So it will not load so fast. So most of the automation code will fail because of timeout issue and because of saying the application is not loaded and you cannot put any hard code, right? So to overcome that situation, what you'll do, Playwright does have a feature that you can use a network idle. There is a method called, there is a concept called page dot wait for load state, and here you have to add network idle. So this line will, if you execute this line, what exactly it will do? It will wait till your complete application gets loaded. Complete application means your UI, your API, your network calls, everything should stop. Then to do that, you have to, till the time you have to wait till all the network call API calls should get loaded. Once it will be done, then only you should perform your rest of the application, the rest of the action in the application. Suppose you have a very long test cases and in the login application, you logged into the application by using entering the username and password. After that, does some, it added one item into the cart, then it proceed with the checkout, blah 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 blah, blah it will do, right? So every time you cannot put this hard code because this is also hard code, right? So you cannot put that. So what you can do, you can create a wait helper. By using that, call you can generate your own method. By using that, you can wait till your application load successfully and completely. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll go to wait helper, and what we'll do exactly, we'll create a simple method. Okay, like class, suppose wait helper, then obviously we have to create a constructor. It will take a parameter as a page, this dot page equal to page. Okay, then you can add, I told you the previous class, export default. Okay, by this you can use this wait helper classes. After that, I will write async. I'll create a async method, and I'll create a method called wait for page load to complete. Okay, so await this dot page dot wait for uh, wait for load state, and here I can say network idle. You can see this one. Perfect. So instead of writing this line again and again, I can use this page load to complete. Okay, but for that also, if you are using this, if you want to call this method, again, what you need to do? You need to create an object of this class. Then in a previous class we have implemented, I have told you, you should not create any object of a class, otherwise it will waste your memory. So for that reason, we have created this login page as a fixture so that you don't need to create object again and again. So obviously, we also have to keep this particular wait helper inside the fixture. Okay, so we'll go to the fixture. Let's go to the fixture. Where is the fixture? Yeah, this way. I'll add one more fixture, that is, mm, what we'll write. First of all, we'll import this one with constant wait helper equal to require, where is that? Fixture and base fixture. Sorry, base fixture, right? Why it's not automatic giving me 1 minute. Uh, Fixture slash base fixture. Great. I don't know why it is not giving the automatic pop-up. Okay, oh, sorry, why I'm putting fixture. Sorry, my bad, my bad. Wait helper util dot slash um, utils slash perfect. I was importing. I'm there in base fixture. I'm again importing the base fixture. That is the wrong thing. Okay, it's all done. So what's next? Next, what we need to do? We have imported the wait helper, and here we need to add. mm it's utils, right? Util. Why it's giving error? Already include a file name. Okay, perfect. Wait helper. It is spelling is correct. Wait helper dot utils. Okay, perfect. No problem. So now we'll add one more the as we have created a fixture. So for that wait helper also we need to create a fixture. Okay. So wait helper exactly you have to read the same way. Passing will write in the same way. Don't worry. Okay. Then we'll close it now. So here we have written the login object creation, but what exactly we need to do? We also create the object constant wait helper equal to new wait helper, and inside also we can write the page so that we can call each and every function present in the wait helper class. So what is the single method that we have? That is wait for page load to complete. Okay, so this wait helper I'll copy and I'll use in my login spec as a fixture. By using this wait helper, I can write wait helper dot wait for where is the method? So let's execute this test case. I'm not sure why it is giving error. Okay, let's execute first. It's running one test case using one worker. It opened the browser, it failed. Okay, wait helper async page dot use. This did not create an object. Why type your wait helper is not a constructor? Okay, well, let me do. I've done something wrong over here. Wait helper constructor page equal to page export default. Why this export default is not working? Okay, let's do one thing. We'll keep as it is, like we have written over here. Where is that login pages? Module.experts. Okay, let me do in the same way. Where is that wait helper? Wait helper. It should work. This export default, I'm not sure this is a problem or what. Let's say it's not allowing us to create an object. So let's check. Yeah, it's working fine now. Okay, it's fine. I think this was the problem. Okay, so I think I need to check whether that why that's not working. So okay, let's do that. We have to add this one as of now. Okay, and why I don't know this wait help this basics is also giving a problem. Let's execute this test case. Great. It executed successfully in 6.4 seconds. That's great. Okay, so I think this is something about the cookies issue in my VS Code. I think that's why it's not working. But the import is already synced to the filing. It's already included, but I don't know why it's not working. Why it's compiled an error. Okay, so so if you see, we have used all our folder structure that we have created. Okay, and also we have created a simple test cases where you can see there is no hardcode data we have. So what exactly we have understood here? It will wait till the complete page gets loaded. Okay, great. So this is a simple test case that we've written. Okay. So the next class we will implement the reporting format because that is the one thing that is pending till now. We have executed one test cases and we still have not the proper Allure report. So we'll implement the Allure report and we will done with the Playwright framework. Okay. Okay. So that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video with the reporting concept. Thank you.